Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about spacer beads today. First of all, I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. It's lovely to have you here. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. And if you're watching this and not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. I do tutorials ideal for the complete jewelry beginner and just explain what different things are. So here we've got some spacer beads. I'm going to be working with these spacer beads today, and they are rhinestone spacer beads. Now spacer beads are available lots of different colours, shapes, sizes. If you look at these, obviously these are round. We've got oblong, they're round. In between, these are called flat spacer beads. They're mostly made of metal, but they can really add a focal point to your bracelet rather than just have a plain beaded bracelet. You can add some colour in between. Also, these are just glass beads, but if you are using expensive gemstone beads, you can make them go further by adding spacer beads. These I absolutely love. These are tiny ones. These are 6mm. Look at the sparkle. They're beautiful. And what I've done, these would be my favourite, but I've got some pearl beads. And I made a pearl bracelet, and I just added some of these in. These are popular for like wedding jewellery, very classy. They really do catch the light. So that was a pearl one that I made. I'm just going to make some two bracelets up and just show you what you can do. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I'll put a link in the description for you. What I've done, I'm using 0.6 stretchy clear elastic. Give that a stretch. Now to stop your beads from falling off, put a bead clip or some type of clip on the end. This is a stationary clip. I'm all for using what we already have lying around. So let's just use these. These are beautiful. These beads remind me of what you call cat's eye beads. So can you see how that's broken the bead up? Just have a look at spacer beads and see what's out there. But these are definitely my favourite. Who doesn't love a bit of bling? It's been very wet today over here in Bristol, UK. Oh, I put 3 on, see, that's talking. You don't just have to use spacer beads on bracelets, you use them necklaces, earrings. So I do hope you're all well. well, enjoying your summer. My daughter's just finished year 4 of, she's wanting to be a doctor. She's just done year 4. And a lot of the most important exams are done in year 4. So basically, if you pass year 4, you're well on your way to being a doctor. She's just going to do a prescribing exam in year 5. Oh, the studying that she's had to do. She's been stressed. We've been stressed. Just worrying about her. So I think she's going to take herself off for just a cheap little getaway abroad somewhere. She really does deserve it. Right, I want to do 7 inches. Just going to tie this one. Going to do a surgeon's knot. One for luck, and then snip off the end. So can you see how that breaks, how the rhinestone spacer beads break up what would be a plain beaded bracelet? So we cut another piece, 12 inches, give it a stretch. Gold spacer beads with black rhinestones. I'll do 5 and then a spacer bead. Just use 3 on that one. So again, we go over twice for the surgeon's knot. Once the other way. And one for luck. So there is that one. So all different. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.